It's Bonnie. Happy Friday. I have another Bath and Body Works Body Care Day video for you. I want to talk about Winterberry Wonder, which is a classic Bath and Body Works Christmas scent. It's been in so many different packaging styles. I'm going to put up a screenshot. Remember, I think it was last year we had the faceted, but it keeps coming back. So, as you may have heard in my earlier video, Body Care Day is tomorrow. Bath and Body Works, $5.95. Phenomenal deal. A lot of people are going to be shopping tomorrow. It's going to be exciting. I can't wait to see what I even pick up. I'm like, yay, Body Care Day. So, Winterberry Wonder. It is part of the Festive Forest collection, and it's got a, what's the animal? Oh, it's got a little bird on it. Super cute. The packaging is nice. It's got like a kind of a pinkish metallic going on, and it's pretty. I like it. I gotta say, I like the packaging. The good thing is, you know what's weird? Oh, it's the storybook collection. I'm like, these are $17.95. This one is actually more expensive than the storybook, which is the Jolly Gingerbread Village. I don't know why. It's like the mid-price point, but you're not going to be able to use your app rewards for these, so you're better off getting them when they're like the single price sale. So anyway, Winterberry Wonder scent notes are Ruby Frost Winterberry, Sparkling Cranberry, and Crystal Vanilla. So, it's funny. I have kind of a love, not hate, but love kind of relationship with Winterberry Wonder. I liked it in this packaging. I gotta say, it was really pretty. The problem with Winterberry Wonder, for me, is the cranberry note. I don't love the cranberry note. I don't dislike it, but it kind of falls in the same category as the Bright Christmas Morning. It's almost like a cranberry punch scent. And on the dry down, you get a little bit of a kind of like an outdoorsy, I don't know if I want to call it like a craft store kind of vibe, but it kind of has like this odd, dry, like planty scent to it on the dry down, like a frosted bush. Does that make any sense at all? Probably not. I'm thinking about, like, you know, when you're outside in the winter and you see the little bushes with the berries on them. Kind of reminds me of that. Crystal Vanilla, that's a tough one, honestly. I think there's probably like a touch of like a vanilla perfume in here also to kind of round it out. A lot of people really love this scent. Like I said, I'm kind of like in the middle. I don't dislike it, but I don't necessarily run to Winterberry Wonder every year. And it's a strong one, though. I gotta say, it does have some staying power, which is nice because a lot, you know, Vanilla Bean Noel, which is a little stronger this year. I gotta review that whole collection. But one nice thing about Winterberry Wonder is, to me, it's got some staying power. So, if you like a nice, it's funny, I like it better when I spray it on, and then once I get the dry down, there's a little bit of that like weird dry planty note that I don't love. But if you like a cranberry that's got a little bit of a dry planty winter vibe, I think you're gonna like it. It's you know what's weird? I know this like isn't Cactus Blossom at all, but there's something about it that kind of reminds me of the base of Cactus Blossom. Even though it's got like the cranberry on top, it does not smell like Cactus Blossom, but there's something like familiar about the base on this one, and I'm not really sure what it is. But it's got that nice cranberry note. So if you're looking for a nice kind of like Thanksgiving scent, you might want to try Winterberry Wonder. The good news is, like I said, tomorrow with the $5.95 sale, it's a good time to try stuff out, because sometimes when you try it in the store, you're not like totally on board with it. You got to kind of like bring it home, use it for a couple days, and then you kind of find out whether or not you like it. The good thing with the 5.95 sale is if you really don't like it, you could return it, or you could use it to gift off to a family member. That's what I do all the time. I'm like, I don't know if I like this, but I'm giving it to a family member. So anyway, that's always a good idea. So anyway, let me know what you think of Winterberry Wonder. Is this going to be one of the scents you buy tomorrow? By the way, I didn't talk about it earlier, but like in the stars with the new packaging, I think, is Into the Night still there? I think it is. All your classic scents, you might want to check those out tomorrow for the 5.95 sale, because there's going to be a lot going on. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.